Hey guys, it's Kunal, commercial product photographer, and coming up to the next question, which is how to maintain a regular workflow. Now, firstly, we need to understand the kind of work that is available. So basically, there could be three kinds of shoots. The first one are the big commercial campaigns that the brands have, and of course, these campaigns are not done on a regular basis because these could be seasonal. Let's say they're doing a summer campaign, a Diwali campaign, Christmas campaign, or they are coming up with a new product launch or a rebranding. So those are the big commercial projects which are not done on a regular basis. The second kind of shoot is where the client needs a lot of images, images in bulk for their social platforms. And the third possibility is, of course, the e-commerce and the pack shot work. So in short, you can have these e-commerce projects and the social media projects as fillers in between your big commercial campaigns. Now, having said that, with experience and with time, once you start doing these big commercial campaigns, then even a couple of commercial campaigns a year could be good enough to support you financially. Right, guys, so I hope you find these videos to be helpful, and if you do, then please do like, comment and share, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.